In this video, I will show you how to embed video into Hotmart using VdoCipher. First, you will have to visit VdoCipher.com and sign up for an account. You don't need any credit card. I already have my account, so I will just log in. Once logged in, you will be in the dashboard, and you can upload the video that you want to embed or import it from all these available options. I have already uploaded my videos. I will just click on Embed button and go to Kick Embed section and click on Generate Embed Code and copy the embed code. Now I'll have to go to Hot Admin panel and click on the products. Go to my product and click on the product where you want to embed the video. Once there, go to Membership area again, go to Product. Click on Edit the course that you want to embed the video and click on Plus and select anyone, like, let's suppose Lessons, and give it any title. Let's suppose Demo Title, and click on this HTML button and paste the embed code. As you can see, the video is showing here, and click on Publish, and you can also preview it to confirm. As you can see, the video is embedded here and showing. Thank you. Key security features include: illegal downloads are blocked with Hollywood-grade DRM encryption using Google Widevine and Apple FairPlay DRM protocols, screen capture blocking in mobile apps, screen capture blocking in 70% cases in websites, user-based moving customizable watermark to discourage screen capture, and rest 30% cases. Advanced restrictions like offline secure download in app, IP restrictions, and geo-country restrictions. Customize the video player as per your brand and business needs. Add chapters. Chapters are visible on player timeline and in settings section. Add multi-language subtitles. Generate AI English subtitles. Change thumbnail. Change color. Add or remove controls. Edit speed change options. Enable Chromecast and much more. Have different themes for different videos, or have a single custom theme for account. Track bandwidth and storage at both the account and video level. Monitor video views at the account level with filters by country and browser, and you can also dive into per video insights for a complete audience overview. Next, manage folder level playback restrictions to control content access and monitor watch time patterns. Finally, our piracy blocker identifies hacking attempts, logging severity, IP addresses, and methods used, ensuring your content stays protected. So sign up today and get a free full version trial.